Starting with small projects is one of the most effective ways to learn programming. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by large, complex systems, you can focus on manageable tasks that help you build confidence and skills. Small projects allow you to experiment, make mistakes, and learn quickly. They also give you a tangible sense of progress, which is motivating. Whether you're a beginner or looking to pick up a new language, these bite-sized challenges provide the perfect environment to practice and grow. Let's explore how small projects can make a big difference in your programming journey. Selecting your first small project can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by thinking about problems you encounter in daily life or simple tools you wish existed. Maybe it's a calculator, a to-do list, or a weather app. The key is to pick something achievable within a short time frame. This ensures you stay motivated and see results quickly. Remember, the goal isn't perfection but progress. By choosing a project that excites you, you'll be more likely to stick with it and learn along the way. Before you start coding, take a moment to plan your approach. Break down your project into smaller tasks or features. For example, if you're building a to-do list app, list out the steps, creating the interface, adding tasks, marking them as complete, and so on. This helps you stay organized and makes the project feel less overwhelming. Planning also allows you to identify potential challenges early, so you can research solutions ahead of time. Clear plan sets you up for smoother development and better results. Comfortable and efficient development environment is essential for productivity. Choose an editor or IDE that you like, install necessary plugins, and set up your workspace. Make sure you have access to documentation and resources for your chosen programming language. Having everything ready before you start coding saves time and reduces frustration. It's also a good idea to organize your files and folders from the beginning, so you can easily find and manage your code as your project grows. Now comes the exciting part, writing your first lines of code. Start small, perhaps by setting up the basic structure of your project. Don't worry about making everything perfect right away. Focus on getting something working, even if it's just a simple output or a basic function. This initial progress will boost your confidence and give you a foundation to build upon. Remember, every great project starts with a single line of code. As you write code, bugs are inevitable. Don't get discouraged. Debugging is a crucial part of the learning process. Test your code frequently and fix issues as soon as they appear. This approach prevents small problems from turning into bigger headaches later. Use print statements, debugging tools, or even just talking through your logic out loud. Each bug you solve makes you a better programmer and brings you one step closer to completing your project. Mistakes are not failures, they're opportunities to learn. When something doesn't work as expected, take a step back and analyze the problem. What went wrong? How can you fix it? This process of troubleshooting and problem solving is where real growth happens. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different solutions. Over time, you'll develop a better understanding of programming concepts and become more confident in your abilities. Building your project step by step is a smart strategy. Instead of trying to complete everything at once, focus on adding one feature at a time. Test each new addition to make sure it works before moving on. This incremental approach makes it easier to spot errors and keeps your project manageable. Plus, seeing your project grow piece by piece is incredibly rewarding and keeps you motivated to continue. Version control systems like Git are invaluable even for small projects. They allow you to track changes, experiment with new ideas, and revert to previous versions if something goes wrong. Learning the basics of version control early on will save you time and headaches in the future. Plus, it's a skill that's highly valued in the professional world. Don't hesitate to start using version control from your very first project. Documentation is a habit worth developing from the start. Write clear comments in your code to explain what each part does. Keep a simple readme file that describes your project, how to set it up, and how to use it. Documentation not only helps others understand your work, but it also makes it easier for you to revisit your project later. Clear documentation is a sign of a thoughtful and professional programmer. Once you have a working version of your project, don't hesitate to share it with others. Getting feedback from friends, mentors, or online communities can provide valuable insights and help you improve your code. Others might spot issues you missed or suggest new features. Embracing feedback is a great way to learn and grow as a programmer. After your project is up and running, take some time to review and improve your code. Refactoring means cleaning up your code, making it more efficient, and organizing it better. This process helps you understand your own work more deeply and prepares you for larger projects in the future. Don't be afraid to rewrite sections or try new approaches. Refactoring is a key part of becoming a better programmer. Every small achievement deserves recognition. Whether you've fixed a tricky bug, added a new feature, or finished your project, take a moment to celebrate. Acknowledging your progress keeps you motivated and makes the learning process more enjoyable. Remember, programming is a journey and every step forward is worth celebrating. Small projects are perfect for exploring new programming concepts. Maybe you want to try working with APIs, databases, or user interfaces. Each project gives you a chance to learn something new in a practical context. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and experiment with unfamiliar ideas. The more you explore, the more versatile you'll become as a programmer. As you complete small projects, start compiling them into a portfolio. This collection showcases your skills and growth as a programmer. A portfolio is invaluable when applying for jobs, internships, or freelance work. It demonstrates your ability to turn ideas into working solutions and shows your commitment to learning. Over time, your portfolio will become a powerful tool for advancing your career. Working on small projects with others is a great way to learn teamwork and communication skills. Collaboration exposes you to different perspectives and coding styles. You'll learn how to divide tasks, merge code, and resolve conflicts. These experiences are invaluable, especially if you plan to work on larger projects or in a professional setting. Don't hesitate to join group projects or contribute to open source initiatives. Small projects are an excellent way to experiment with new programming languages. Instead of committing to a large, complex system, you can try out a language's syntax and features in a low-pressure environment. This approach helps you compare languages and find the ones that best suit your style and goals. Over time, you'll become more adaptable and confident in learning new technologies. Any small projects focus on automating repetitive tasks. Whether it's renaming files, sending emails, or scraping data from websites, automation saves time and reduces errors. These projects are practical and immediately useful, giving you a sense of accomplishment. Plus, automation skills are highly valued in many industries, making these projects a smart investment in your future. Every small project is an opportunity to practice problem solving. You'll encounter challenges, brainstorm solutions, and implement fixes. This hands-on experience is the best way to develop your analytical thinking and creativity. Over time, you'll become more comfortable tackling unfamiliar problems and devising effective solutions. Designing user interfaces is a fun and valuable skill. Small projects give you the freedom to experiment with layouts, colors, and interactions. You can try building simple web pages, desktop apps, or mobile interfaces. Each experiment teaches you more about usability and design principles, making your future projects more polished and user-friendly. APIs, or application programming interfaces, allow your projects to interact with other software and services. Small projects are a great way to learn how to use APIs, whether it's fetching weather data, sending messages, or integrating with social media. Working with APIs expands your project's capabilities and introduces you to real-world programming scenarios. Many small projects involve collecting, processing, or displaying data. You might build a simple data visualizer, a budget tracker, or a quiz app. These projects teach you how to handle different types of data, store information, and present results in a clear way. Data skills are essential for many programming careers, so practicing them early is a smart move. Testing is a fundamental part of software development. Small projects are the perfect place to learn about writing and running tests. You can start with simple manual tests and gradually explore automated testing tools. Testing ensures your code works as expected and helps you catch bugs early. Developing good testing habits now will pay off in all your future projects. Open source projects are a fantastic resource for learning and collaboration. By contributing to small open source projects, you can practice reading other people's code, submitting changes, and working with a community. These experiences build your skills and expand your network. Don't hesitate to explore open source opportunities as part of your programming journey. Well-organized project structure makes your code easier to manage and understand. Small projects are a great way to experiment with different ways of organizing files and folders. You'll learn best practices that will help you as your projects grow in size and complexity. Good structure also makes it easier for others to contribute to your work. Libraries and frameworks can save you time and add powerful features to your projects. Small projects are the perfect place to experiment with these tools. You'll learn how to integrate them, read documentation, and troubleshoot issues. Over time, you'll build a toolkit of resources that make future projects faster and easier to develop. Code review is the process of examining code for errors, improvements, and best practices. Even in small projects, reviewing your own code or asking others to review it can be incredibly valuable. You'll catch mistakes, learn new techniques, and develop a more critical eye. Code review is a habit that will serve you well throughout your programming career. Deploying your project means making it available for others to use. Small projects are a great way to learn about deployment, whether it's publishing a website, sharing a desktop app, or releasing a mobile app. You'll gain experience with hosting, versioning, and distribution. These skills are essential for bringing your ideas to a wider audience. Time management is crucial, even for small projects. Set realistic goals, break tasks into manageable pieces, and track your progress. This approach helps you stay focused and avoid burnout. Learning to manage your time effectively will benefit you in all areas of programming and beyond. Small projects are a great way to dip your toes into mobile development. Try building a simple app for your phone or tablet. You'll learn about mobile interfaces, touch interactions, and platform-specific features. These projects are fun, practical, and can open up new opportunities in your programming journey. Web development is one of the most popular areas for small projects. Build a personal website, a blog, or a simple online tool. You'll learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and web hosting. Each project helps you understand how the web works and gives you practical experience that's highly valued in the tech industry. Explaining your project to others is a valuable skill. Practice describing your project's purpose, features, and how it works. This helps you clarify your own understanding and prepares you for interviews, presentations, or team meetings. Good communication is just as important as good code. Game development is a fun and creative way to practice programming. Small games like puzzles, quizzes, or simple platformers are perfect projects for learning about graphics, logic, and user interaction. Each game you build teaches you new skills and lets you express your creativity. Security is an important aspect of programming. Small projects give you a chance to learn about protecting data, handling user input safely, and understanding common vulnerabilities. These lessons are crucial for building reliable and trustworthy software, no matter the size of your project. Cloud services offer powerful tools for small projects. You can use cloud storage, databases, or hosting to make your projects more scalable and accessible. Learning to work with cloud services prepares you for modern software development and opens up new possibilities for your projects. Persistence is key to success in programming. Not every project will go smoothly and you'll face challenges along the way. The important thing is to keep going, learn from setbacks, and celebrate your progress. Each small project you complete builds your resilience and determination. Artificial intelligence is an exciting field and small projects are a great way to get started. Try building a simple chatbot, image recognizer, or recommendation system. These projects introduce you to AI concepts and tools in a manageable way, sparking your curiosity for more advanced topics. Optimizing your code means making it run faster or use fewer resources. Small projects are perfect for practicing optimization techniques such as improving algorithms or reducing memory usage. These skills are valuable for all programmers and make your projects more efficient and professional. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects everyday devices to the internet. Small IoT projects like smart lights or sensors are a fun way to learn about hardware and networking. These projects combine programming with real-world applications, expanding your skills beyond software alone. Good documentation is essential for any project. Practice writing clear instructions, usage examples, and explanations of your code. This habit makes your projects easier to use and maintain, and it's a skill that employers value highly. Start documenting your small projects now, and you'll thank yourself later. Automation tools can make your workflow more efficient. Try using scripts to automate repetitive tasks or explore tools that help with testing, deployment, or code formatting. These small projects teach you how to streamline your work and focus on what matters most, building great software. Databases are a core part of many software projects. Small projects like contact lists, inventory trackers, or note-taking apps are perfect for learning how to store and retrieve data. You'll gain hands-on experience with database concepts, queries, and management, preparing you for more complex applications. DevOps combines development and operations to streamline software delivery. Small projects are a great way to learn about continuous integration, deployment, and monitoring. These practices help you deliver better software faster and prepare you for modern development environments. Take time to reflect on what you've learned from each small project. What went well? What could you improve next time? Reflection helps you identify strengths and areas for growth, making each new project more successful than the last. Continuous improvement is the key to mastering programming. Small projects may seem simple, but their impact is huge. They help you build skills, confidence, and a portfolio of work. Each project is a stepping stone toward bigger challenges and greater achievements. Embrace the process, keep experimenting, and remember that every line of code brings you closer to your goals. The journey of a programmer is built one small project at a time.